Welcome back to the video class, dear children. Today we shall pick up the last chapter, chapter number 13, that is exponents and powers. In this chapter, we shall go through the laws of exponents. Before that, let's try to understand what we mean by exponents. 32, you can write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. What number we are multiplying? Same number, that is 2. You write this 2 here. And how many times this number 2 multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is known as exponential form of 32. That means 2 will be multiplied 5 times, not 2 5s are 10. You should not multiply 2 and 5. This indicates that this 2 will be multiplied 5 times. In such expression, the number you are multiplying, this is known as base, and this is known as exponent. And how to read this one? We can read this one 2 raised to 5, 4, 2 raised to the power of 5. So exponent of a number indicates that number how many times you will multiply. And base means what number will be taken for multiplication. That is the base. So this is the meaning of the base and the exponent. Now let's come to the laws of exponents. The first law of exponent, that is a raised m into a raised n is equal to a raised m plus n. That means if the bases are same, in the case of multiplication, there will be addition of the exponents. For example, 5 square into 5 cube, this is equal to 5 raised 2 plus 3, that is 5 raised 5. Then come to the second, a raised m divided by a raised n. That means if the bases are same and the operation between them is divide, then there will be subtraction of the exponents from the left side to the right side. 7 cube divided by 7 square. This will give 7, 3 minus 2. That is equal to 7 raised 1. That means 7. Second law. Then third law. If two exponents are here, one exponent over the other exponent, then there will be multiplication of the exponent when you remove the bracket. When you remove the bracket, these two exponents will be multiplied. 2 5s are 10. Then let's come to the fourth law. Two numbers are here and they have the same exponent and operation is multiplication. Then these two numbers will be multiplied and raise the same exponent. 3 raise 5 into 5 place 5. Then this can be written, exponents are same, so exponent will be written outside, one exponent will be written outside, and the bases will be multiplied. 5. Then next, here also same, only the difference is the operation division. 3 raised 4 divided by 5 raised 4. Then this can be written 3 by 5 raised 4. This is very important for converting a negative exponent to the positive exponent. We shall apply this one. 2 raised minus 5 is equal to 1 will be written here. Then 2 will be written, then this negative will be disappear. So this is the rule for converting a negative exponent to the positive exponent. It's very important. Keep it down. Then come to the last one. If the exponent of a number is 0, then the value will be 1. 3 raised 0 or whatever number, maybe small or big, all should be equal to 1. So these are the laws of exponent, which are very important for your further study. So to remember this one, you have to practice the questions that is solved in the textbook, and unsolved one you have to solve again and again. Then you will be remembering these things. Let's come to the last topic. That is standard form or scientific form of a number. What do you mean by standard form or scientific form of a number? By standard form or scientific form of a number, we mean that the number should be expressed as the product of two numbers. One number here, another number here. This number should be 10 raised to some other exponents, positive exponents. And other number should be starting from 1 but less than 10. In the first position, the number that should come should be less than 10. Starting from 1 should be less than 10. And the right side number should be 10 raised to some other positive numbers. Positive natural, positive integers. Then we say that the number is in the standard form. For example, 3 into 10 raised 6. This is in the standard form because it satisfies the condition. First number lies between 1 and 10. This number should not be less than 1 and it should be less than 10. Satisfied. And the second number should be 10 raised to some positive integers. So this satisfies. So this is an example of a number in the standard form. This is also another example of standard form because second number is 10 raised positive integer and first number less than 10. Less than 10. 3.2 is less than 10 and it is more than 1. 3.2 is more than 1. So this number is in the standard form. Now this number is not in the standard form because this satisfies this condition. But first number is bigger than 10. So to bring it in the standard form, we have to decrease this one. It should lie between 1 and 10. Then the only way is to bring this decimal to here. Then 5 point something is, it lies between 1 and 10. Then how to bring this one here? You know, in the case of division by 10, 100, 1000, decimal moves to the left side. So 5, 4, 2, 3 should be divided by, to bring this side should be divided by 10. And 10 was not here. So to cancel with 10, we have to add here 1. We have to multiply here 1 more extra 10. And then 10 raised 8. See, after cancelling 10, 10, you are getting the original number. So original number can be modified like this. Then this gives, this number divided by this will give 5.423 into 10 raised, here nothing is 1, 10 raised 8. 1 plus 8 by the first law of exponents, 1 plus 8, 9. Now it becomes a number in the standard form, because this is 10 raised positive integer and number lying between 1 and 10. Again, let's pick up another example. 0.623 into 10 raised 6. This is not in the standard form, because the first number is smaller than 1. So we have to bring this number between 1 and 10 to be in the standard form. Second one is okay, satisfied because this is 10 raised positive integer. Then we have to bring the decimal to this. Then 6.23 lying between 1 and 10. Then we know that if number is multiplied, decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000. The decimal moves to the right side. So we need to move this to here. So 0.623 will be multiplied by 10. But 10 was not here. So to cancel, we have to write 1 by 10 here. So that after cancellation, we are getting this original number. And into 10 raised 6. So if you multiply this, you will get 6.23 into 1 by 10 into 10 raised 6. This is 6.23 into, this will multiply here, 10 raised 6 divided by 10 raised, nothing means 1 here, 6.23 into 10 raised. In the case of division, exponents are subtracted by the second law of exponents. So it will be 6 minus 1. That is 6.23 into 10 raised 5. Now, second number 10 raised to positive integer. And first number lying between 1 and 10. So satisfying the condition for to be standard form. So these are the ways to convert a given number into the standard form. So dear students, for today let's wind up here. Thank you, dear children.